You're probably familiar with Europa, Jupiter's icy moon. Well, we're heading there on October 10th, just like in the movie Europa Report, but this time the spacecraft will be unmanned. NASA's Europa Clipper mission will launch with a clear objective: to investigate if there is life beneath Europa's ice. But before that, the spacecraft will have to travel over 600 million kilometers. How will it achieve this? To start, it has enormous solar panels that will provide the necessary energy throughout the journey. Additionally, it will use gravitational assist maneuvers, harnessing the gravity of Earth and Mars to gain speed, catapulting toward Jupiter. After 6 years of traveling through space, it will arrive near Jupiter in 2030, but its approach won't be a walk in the park. The powerful magnetic field of the gas giant bombards space with intense radiation, so the spacecraft will be protected by a special titanium and aluminum vault to keep its most valuable instruments safe. If all goes well and the spacecraft withstands the journey, it will begin its true mission, conducting dozens of flybys over Europa. This is where the amazing instruments it carries come into play. Ice-penetrating radar, REASON. This radar will send waves that will penetrate kilometers of ice in search of liquid water beneath the surface. It can reveal internal lakes or even Europa's subsurface ocean, where we might find conditions suitable for life. High-resolution cameras. These will take incredible images of Europa's surface. Every crack, mountain, or fracture will be mapped in detail, looking for signs of geological activity that indicate if the ice moves or exchanges material with the subsurface ocean. Magnetometer. This instrument will measure Europa's magnetic field, essential for discovering the depth and salinity of the hidden ocean beneath the ice. Changes in the magnetic field will reveal if that ocean is salty and if it is close to the surface. Mass Spectrometer, Mass Specs. This will be responsible for smelling the gases released from the surface. From water vapor to organic compounds, these analyses will help us determine if Europa has the necessary ingredients for life. Thermal camera, ETHEMIS. It will look for hotspots on the surface that could indicate geological activity or water rising from the subsurface ocean. A clear sign that Europa could be geologically alive. Each of the 50 flybys will provide us with more information about this fascinating moon. Europa Clipper will become our eyes and ears, and if there's something down there, beyond the ice, we'll be one step closer to discovering it. How do you imagine life on Europa might look like?